Matter. Rain is coming. Always raining in the Philippines. Always raining. I'm good now. Alhamdulillah. It's good. You know durian? Durian fruits? Alam durian? Aywa. You not suffer in your country? You laughing always, huh? You not, you see that? Durian. This is durian fruit in my country. In my province city. Ay, province city, province. This one. Mm-mm. My net is not good, right? Right pa.